Okay, got most of it cleaned up here. One thing we do want to do is separate these. Check our fuel passages, make sure they're clean. Go ahead and put that back on. This bulb's in really good shape. Like I said, we're not going to do a rebuild, we're going to reuse. So we just want to make sure that everything is nice and clean. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is what's known as the Pac-Man. It is round with a little notch cut out, and you have to have a special tool that is round that has a little indent on it. And you can see if you don't have it on correctly, it won't go all the way down, but there it is. And there that is. We've got the low side and the high side of the carburetor for adjusting. Alright, we've got that cleaned up. Let's get some of this debris and stuff out of here. I'm going to blow that out with the air compressor and get some of that stuff out. Be right with you. Okay, we've got that blown out and cleaned. Now we got to look at getting our carburetor put back together. Let me adjust you up a little bit. A little bit of debris out of there. Okay, we've got our filter material in there. That looks good. We've got some gas. The string trimmer does run. It needs carburetor adjustment. We're going to be using the Pac-Man tool on this. It's having a little bit of issue idling. So we know, looking inside here at our carburetor, the one on the left is an L mark next to it, and that's the low side, so the one on the right has to be the high side. It has no problem running at high RPM. It's just having some problems running at low RPM. So I'm going to start it up, adjust the carburetor a little bit, and we should be good to go. Noise alert. Alright, can't believe this. I just did all that adjusting and the camera wasn't filming. Anyway, we adjusted the low side in a little bit. We cleaned the carburetor, replaced the air filter, and we'll see if she runs now. Alright, so total money invested, about $8 for this cover. About another $8 because I needed a new bump head to go with the line feed. We took the carburetor apart, We cleaned it, we checked it, we did not rebuild it. We put it back on. It's a running string trimmer. If you have the opportunity, buy pre-mixed. You can get Moto Mix, you can get True Fuel. These things are great. They're high octane, no ethanol in them whatsoever. They're pre-mixed, 40 to 1, 50 to 1. It's awesome stuff. One free, almost free, $16 is what I spent. One free string trimmer. Hey everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. Leave a comment down below if there's anything of interest you'd like to see me work on. Other than that, you have a wonderful day. Bye.